Hello everyone, welcome to day 3 of Lacoste the Alligator's monumental enclosure rebuild. So today was all about fiberglassing. Now this is the absolute biggest part of the build in terms of hard work. So we finally managed to get the second layer of the glass sheet and resin done, and now to sand it all down. Now this is horrible, sanding is not fun anyway, but when you are sanding fiberglass, all the fibres get everywhere, they are intensely itchy and it is quite unpleasant. But the trowel group soldiered on like the absolute legends that they are and got it smoother than a snake's belly. It's really important that we make sure everything is sanded down, because otherwise the tiny little fibres sticking up could actually be quite sharp, and we really don't want it to hurt her skin when she's swimming or walking around on it. Now that's all smooth and done, here comes the exciting part. Let's get a bit of colour on there. Now I had absolutely no idea what colour this was going to be. The trowel group supplied all the materials and did all the ordering. So here's the grand reveal. What colour have we got? It's a lovely beautiful baby blue. So she's going to really show up against that colour and it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. So as before, this is a two-part process. We mix the flow coat with an activator, give it a right good old stir, and then you've got a very limited amount of time to get a nice thick coat on before it cures and dries. Luckily, the trowel group are the best workmen in the whole world and they steamed ahead. Meanwhile, let's see our girl. So we're going in every day, spraying her several times, and here she is having a little drink. It's so funny watching her. She tries to actually bite the jet stream of the water and we just sit there watching her guzzle it down. It's so amazing. She's having a fabulous time in her little holiday home, I must say. But let's get back to the enclosure. Let's see how they're going. Here we go again. We have sped this up, but I have to say they really did whiz through this, getting all the little nooks and crannies, coating absolutely everything to make sure it looks top class and beautiful for our girl. This part really is the most satisfying. I mean, with the fiberglass in, you just can't see it's on because it's so transparent, but this lets you know you have done the job. And not only that, it's a signal that it's all over. Hooray! No more smelly fiberglass. Wow, look at that. That just looks absolutely beautiful. So that is the fiberglass done and complete. Thank goodness for that. So now I shall leave you enjoying the main event, what we're all here for, our gorgeous girl Lacoste. Huge thanks once again to Trowel Group for another incredible day's work. See you all tomorrow.